welcome to TechieQA channel. Please subscribe my channel for software testing videos. In this video, we are going to see about in all my videos, wherever automation I have start I always start with Chrome driver. Some people they need to do with Firefox driver. In initial days, we were doing with Firefox driver, but because of compatibility issues, we just moved to Chrome driver for smooth process. We won't get any issues of compatibility. Most of the time we won't get. So like if you want to run on Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer, or like other browser, how can you do it? So that's what we are going to see in this video. So now I have a code for Chrome driver. So what I will do, instead of Chrome driver, I just change to Firefox driver. Okay, I have changed to Firefox driver. I just command the previous line, the system set property, just run it. We got error that we need to set a property WebDriver gecko.driver. Just copy this and paste it in the set property. Okay, here instead of Chrome driver, we need to download the Firefox driver. So Firefox driver is like, just close this, go here in the Selenium download page, org download page. You can see in the highlighted URL also. Selenium download page, you can see here Gecko, first one, Gecko driver. Click on latest and click on, just come down, Windows 64, 32, Mac, Linux 64, 32. So I am using Mac, so I have downloaded. I just already downloaded here and extracted and copied to the folder called TechieQA. So Gecko driver I need to change. Just go to Eclipse, give whole path. Already TechieQA I am pointing to, Chrome driver also there only. So I'll just replace the Gecko driver. So Windows user, you have to give full path like file, C drive, wherever you have Gecko driver.exe you should give. Okay, this one, and then you have to change the Firefox driver. That's it. Once you run, you can see here Firefox driver, like Firefox browser will launch. See Firefox browser, and it will go to github.com. So this is such a simple step. Okay, there are some warnings, you no need to worry about it. And now you want to do Safari browser, so for the Mac. So one more thing, for Internet Explorer I'm using a MacBook, so I didn't have a Internet Explorer. The same thing, you just go to Selenium download and Microsoft Edge driver, and just download the release. You will get a .exe file here, and go to your code, Internet Explorer driver. So what it will say, it will ask you to just command, and to get the property value, just run it. You will get, it will ask you to webdriver.ie.driver. So this one you should put into properties, give the path of Internet Explorer driver. That's it. It will work on Internet Explorer also. Okay, now what we are going to do with Safari browser, Safari driver. And Safari driver, we no need to give any drivers as such, but what we have to do, go to Safari, go to Safari properties, preferences, go to advanced, click on this. If it is unchecked, it will be unchecked by default. Click on check, then close it. Go to develop and click on allow remote automation. By default it will be unchecked, so something like by default it will be like this. So I have changed to Safari driver. So when you run this Java application, you will get some error only, like Safari driver, Stack Overflow, like allow remote automation. You need to enable in develop menu. So go to Safari, go to develop. So for develop, if you don't see develop menu, go to preferences and advanced, show develop menu in menu bar. So this you have to do, then only it will allow to do automation. Then go to develop, hello remote automation. Now you can run this. No need any driver, but you need some small kind of setup for the Safari driver. Yes, it's just run. It went to Firefox. It's just, you can turn off if you want, or if you want to continue, you can continue the session. Okay, I just turn off after that. Okay guys, maybe there is some element not intractable exception came, so we need to check why. But we were able to launch the URL in the Safari, Firefox, Internet Explorer. If you are Windows user, you can do. I think if you want any other browser support, please put into comments. If you are facing any issue, just add in the comments. We'll support you. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe.